Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to replace the control box on the Cargobike Flex. And for that you will need a Phillips screwdriver. So follow along. I will start by removing the battery coil, the saddle and the seat post. Then these are the two screws you need to access. So start by unscrewing them. There we go. Then I insert the screwdriver on the side here to remove this little cover. Then you take out the control box. There we go. All the connectors are click connectors, so just pull them straight out. There we go. And the power cable. Then you take the new control box. Start with the power cable. Then all the cables are unique, so it's simply not possible to connect them incorrectly. But on some connectors, you'll find an arrow on both sides, and they should face each other, so push them in. There we go. Insert the control box. And remember, when you remove the control box, to note how the cables are positioned, as it will be much easier when you put it back. There we go. Then take the small cover. One side first. Like that. In with the screws. Saddle and seat post. The battery, find the groove. Like that. Thank you for watching. Take care.